If you want to watch free movies, free live TVs, free TV shows on your Google TV, then this is the right video for you because in this particular video, I'll be showing you the best platform that you can use on your Google TV device to watch free movies, free live TVs, free TV shows without any subscription, without any monthly payment, and without even creating an account if that's what you want. So this is going to be an interesting video and I'll highly recommend you watch right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And if you're watching my video for the very first time, I am Dave Tech, and in this channel, we share videos like this and more about tutorials on Google TV and other smart TVs. Without said, let's get into it. So here's my Android TV or my Google TV that I'm using in this video, and there's a recent update. As you can see, there's now Gemini for TV. You can check it out. If you don't have it, update your system, are going to get the Gemini. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the best platform on Google TV to watch both free live TVs, free TV shows, and movies. So I'm going to go straight away to the platform, but at the end of the video, I will show you how to install this particular application to your Google TV. So you might want to stick right up to the end of the video. So that's it. Here's the platform I'm talking to, and it is very simple to use. Once you go over to it, this is how it looks like. I'll highly recommend, once you're here, make sure that you have the best or a stable internet connection because this platform works on the internet. So the platform's name is Tubi, and if you know what Tubi is, you know Tubi is such a good platform. And if you go over here, you can see that I've not created an account, but you can choose to create an account if that's what you want. So here is the menu, and there are lots of different things on the menu, but we're going to get to that in a moment. Now, if you want to sign in, that is your choice. You can use the account without signing in, or can use the application without signing in. But if you choose to sign in, this is how you do it. You cover this option here, and you're going to get the instructions to sign in. Now, there are two types of account. There's an account for adults and there's an account for kids. So if you are creating an account for kids, make sure to switch to this other part of it and create your account for kids. But if you want for adults, make sure that you create yours for adults. So it is very simple to create. Just go over to your mobile phone or MacBook, follow the instructions, and you get your account. But anyway, let's get into the deep features of this particular platform. So as you go back to the menu over here, you can see you can search for movies or you can search for live TV or TV shows if you want. If you go over here, for instance, if you have a name of the movie in mind, you can type the name of the movie in mind and just search to see if the movie is available on this particular platform. But now, if you want to watch any particular movie that's available or you've searched and seen, just click on any sample. So I'm just going to take this movie for instance, and I just click on play, and as you can see, it's going to start playing straight away on my Google TV. Now, for copyright purposes and my YouTube videos, I'm going to be blurring this. I believe you understand why. So you can play tons or thousands of movies like this on this platform without any payment or any monthly subscription. Now, if you don't create an account, that's fine. But if you want to do certain things like add a movie to your list or whitelist a movie or whatever, you will need to sign in and create an account before you be able to keep a movie or add a movie to your list. That's just the feature that I see that comes with signing in. Apart from that, you can do any other thing that you want, like search movies, watch movies, without having to create any account. Now you can go over to home over here, and once you go over home, this is what you will see. So this is featured, and in the feature section you can get live TV, you can get movies, you can get TV shows, whatever is on live at that moment, also depending on what you like to watch. Now you come down to categories, which is where my favorite is. It's literally the same thing, but here now you have different categories of movies, live TVs, and TV shows. For instance, you have FIFA World Cup, you can have comedy, drama, crime, anything that you want to watch. There is going to be a movie on this platform or a live TV on this platform that you might find interesting. So there's a lot of different categories that you might find here. Just go over here, browse through, and choose yours that you find good for you and start watching. It's as simple as that. Now the thing we're going to look deeper, for instance, is when we come down to movies, TV shows, and live TV. These are the three important categories on this platform: movies, TV shows, and live TV. Now with movies, before we get to that, let me just show you a quick. You can choose to edit your settings or customize the application to suit your needs, anyone that you want. Just take a quick look at the customization settings and choose what is best for you. Now I'm not going to give you any settings instructions here. If you want a video on that, just let me know in the comment section. Now let's go back to the movie, TV shows, and categories over here. So I go back to here, movies. If you come to the category of movies over here, here's it. Now you go to movies and click on it, you're going to get thousands of different movies across different years. You can get old movies, new movies, all types of genres, comedy, drama, history, crime. There are lots of movies here that you can watch without any payment or without any subscription. Now there is a catch, of course. The only catch with this application is that you might, from time to time, you might face ads, you might get little ads that will pop up when you're watching a movie or when you're watching a live TV or whatever. That is only this only catch with this platform. But aside from that, you can enjoy the platform without any payment or any subscription or whatever. Now that's it for movies. As you can see, there are different types of movies over here. They can search through or browse through and choose. There are even some good movies over here they can love. There's some movies that I've watched. Now you go back to TV shows, it's still the same thing. There are thousands, or if not, I don't know, tons of TV shows over here they can choose to watch in high quality. That's one thing that I forgot to mention. All of these are in high quality. Now I'm using my Google 4K, and that's why you're seeing the quality really good. But all of these are in high quality and can choose to watch whatever option that you want. Now, the last but not the least, live TV. Live TV is different from movie and TV show because live TV is what is currently airing on a particular channel. So if you go over here, you're going to see thousands of different channels across different categories. So as you can see, there is weather, TV shows, lifestyle, history, sport, classic, and so on. So there are different categories of live TV that you can watch over here. I could take out the time, and I don't want to make this video as long. You can take out the time once you are here and browse through to see the different categories. Let's say, for instance, I cover to sports. So, for instance, you can watch NBA if you want. You can play NBA if you want to watch NBA sports. You want to watch football. You want to watch cricket. All of these you can find different channels that are here. Now, the problem that you will face, or the problem that I face with this platform, is that there are just too many options that at the end of the day I do not even know what to watch. That's my only problem. You can choose to watch UFC if that's what you want. My only challenge is that there is just too much content on this platform. So anyway, this is the platform so far, and I've showed you everything that you need to know about the platform. As I said, it is totally free. You do not have to pay a subscription. Neither do you even need to create an account. The only catch is that you will have to face certain ads. Now the next question is, how do you install this application to your Google TV? It's very simple. Just go over to your app section, click on search app, and then click on search Play Store, and then this will bring you to the Play Store feature on your Google TV. Once you are here, all you've got to do is just go ahead and search for the application on your Google TV. So for instance, just go back to the search box over here and type in Tubi. Once you type in Tubi, you're going to get the application. I don't know how you pronounce it. It might be Tubi, it might be Toby, whatever option you pronounce it, there's the application, and you'll be able to install it to your Google TV. And once you're done installing it, you can start using it straight away. As you can see, I already have the application installed, and if I launch it from here, it takes me back straight away to where we were before. So this is the Tubi platform, and for me, it is the best.